Astropad, you guys are killing me. 4 months ago I reviewed the rock paper pencil and now there's an updated version. Is it better? Let's talk about it. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you all about version 2 of the rock paper pencil from Astropad. But before we get started, be sure to like this video if you found it useful, click on subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when I post new how-tos and reviews. So back in November 2023, I did a review of the Astropad Rock paper pencil and compared it to the paper-like screen protector. There's a link to that video here and down below. I had been using a paper-like and I liked it a lot. Then I discovered the rock paper pencil, took a chance, ordered it, and loved it. What's really nice about this screen protector is that it's a magnetic connection, so nothing actually sticks to your display. They also include tips to replace with your Apple Pencil stock tips to use with the protector. Now Astropad has released a version 2 of the rock paper pencil and it's even better. And it pains me to say that a little because for me version 1 is only about 4 months old. But it is an improved version of an already great product. So let's talk a little bit about what makes version 2 better. I've got version 1 on my 11-inch iPad Pro and version 2 on my iPad Mini. The first big difference is the way it adheres to the display. Version 1 used magnetic strips on the left and right side, and version 2 uses what Astropad calls nano cling to attach to the display. You'll see on version 1 that there were these big black strips, and version 2 has a thin black strip that goes all around the edge. And it's got gaps in the black band that I'm assuming would block sensors under the screen if it went all the way around. Since version 1 had the black bars on the left and right, there was a little bit of a lip on the left and right sides that you could feel with your finger when you grabbed your iPad. That's gone in version 2. The screen protector is completely flat now, which makes it really nice. And I feel like the display is more clear and crisp on version 2. There is a matte paper texture on both versions that makes writing feel really nice. Installation is a breeze, just like it was on version 1. You don't have to worry about making sure it's all lined up correctly. If it's not perfect, you can reapply it. Alright, let's put this screen protector on my 11-inch iPad Pro. I've taken off version 1. This is version 1 right here. This is version 2. Version 1, you can see these black bars that I was talking about that are the magnetic strips that adhere, and the change to version 2 where you see it's a really thin black line that goes all the way around the whole screen protector. So it does change the design a little bit. So let's put this on. I've already cleaned my iPad off, so here it is. And it's really just a matter of taking this out of the bag and ever so carefully. And it really just sticks to it. So I'm going to align it here, but it uses this nano cling technology now. And that's probably good there, but the nice thing is you can reapply it if you need to. I'm going to try and line that up, and that is pretty much it. That's the screen protector on there. It looks like there might be a little piece of something underneath there. But yeah, I think it does have a really nice look to it. I think it's has more clarity than version 1. So that is it, and the black bars all the way around are really thin and minimal, and you don't have a little lip like version 1 did. Now they also changed the Apple Pencil tip just a little bit as well. You can see version 1 on the right and version 2 on the left here. It's a minor change, but the feel is better when you write on version 2. Like I said earlier, I am a little bummed that I purchased version 1 just a few months ago, but version 2 is a really nice upgrade. You won't find any traces of version 1 on Astropad's site, so if you're new to the rock paper pencil, it's well worth it. If you've got version 1 right now, it's worth replacing it with version 2. As always, I would love to hear your comments below. Are you using a screen protector now? Have you tried Astropad Rock Paper Pencil version 1 or 2? Let me know. I'm also curious on whether you're using something like this for writing, journaling, or maybe something a little more artistic. I've gotten comments on my channel that there is a different feel if you're drawing compared to like writing or journaling or something like that. Thanks again for watching everyone, and we'll talk soon.